Hola, estudiantes. Welcome to week 5 of distance learning, 5th and 6th grade Spanish. So your assignment is going to look a lot smaller this week because there are less options. We are focusing on Cinco de Mayo because it is Cinco de Mayo this week. And I wanted to make sure before you left my care for the year that you knew a little bit about this special holiday. It is a holiday that can be a little bit confusing because we don't know exactly who celebrates it. We don't know why they celebrate it. Is it an Independence Day? Is it a celebration in the United States? Is it a celebration in Mexico? And who are they celebrating independence from, or actually past battles? What are they celebrating from that time and why? So here you're going to learn a little bit more about that. The reading is in Spanish, very basic Spanish. What you're going to do is you're going to print off this worksheet right here. And if you don't have a printer, like I said in the overview, no worries, just email me and we can work together to figure something else out. But you'll do this reading, and then afterwards, you're going to do this little ole article. So based on whether this statement is true or false, you'll use the reading for these answers. You're going to píntalo, or color, this picture right here. So it is true for number 1. En México, muchas personas celebran el Cinco de Mayo. If it's true, then you're going to paint this thing green. This thing being the region of Mexico. If it's false, you're going to paint it orange. If you don't know the answers to some of these, you can use word reference to figure out what all your color words are. But you probably are going to remember a lot of them. All right. And then your next part is going to be to complete this Edpuzzle. Just do your best. You may not be able to understand everything, but please do your best to recall and learn a little bit more about the special holiday. I miss you all very much. Oh, one last thing before I move on, I can't forget. When you are finished with the worksheet portion, you will need to upload it. So you're going to go to Activities, and then you're going to go to week 5, Cinco de Mayo. And right here, you're going to have a hand in. It's going to say hand in work. And you'll select that and you'll upload the picture. You can take pictures, I think you know, with your laptop of your work. And you're going to upload it here so I can see all of your beautiful work right in one place. So make sure you do not email it to me. Please just upload it to the assignment so I can have it all in one place. And then I can message you back and let you know I got it. So thanks so much. Miss you all very much. And I hope you're well. Until next week. Hasta pronto.